do. We got no cigarettes. We just started smoking today.
I don't believe this.
I can hear a car.
Rescue service.
Funny side of it. Who's that? Fire and rescue? Yeah, it's a rescue unit, but how are they being so stupid too? You know. Yeah. What does that say that van is? Oh, technical rescue unit. I don't think they're going to be able to do any technical rescues in this.
Right, I'm done.